Good morning. Somewhere around 6 o'clock. Um, Saturday morning. We're gonna move the lathe finally into the shop. Riggers are coming in about 2 hours, 8 o'clock. I got some stuff to move out of the garage. Got most of the path ready. Um, See, I got a bunch of tools and other junk to move out, ready to go. And then the lathe is coming in. Okay, I think we're ready. We got all the stuff out of there, cars out of the way. Nice clear landing or runway up to the thing, to the garage. A bunch of stuff under there. It's raining a little, so I put the tent up. Ready to go. What is that? Don't know. So, lays there. That's where it's been for, 13 months now. Which hasn't made me very happy, hasn't made the wife very happy. We haven't used the garage for that long for a car. Everything else is clear out of the way. Lots of room on both sides. Stuff tucked out of the way. I got the ramp still down by the doors. I assume the riggers will want me to move that out. I just pull it out. It's just sitting there. Pretty much ready to go. That door. This place is a disaster right now, by the way. There is stuff everywhere. Shop too. So we're all ready to go. Clear as I can make it here. I got this piece of plywood. There's a bunch of exposed pipes that you kind of could get your leg caught on. So I threw that up there. They may want to move that. I don't know. So nice and clear. Again, this place is a super disaster. Stuff's just shoved all the way to this side right now. But we're all clear here to come in. And as clear as I can make it here. Can't do anything about the mill. But it's pretty clear. I took a bunch of tiles up, so that's ready to go. And I think we'll just have it sit away from the wall, because I think I'm going to have to repair some of the stuff in the back. So that's the plan. Alright, riggers just left. Didn't move the camera in the middle of that, just left it. Didn't want to get in the middle of them moving it. Here we go. It's a bunch of this tile. That's okay. This stuff's from like 1983 anyway. Crap's everywhere. Look at this. Bam. Moved in. So moved in place, two guys, two riggers, Nick and Hollis. Took them less than an hour to do it. They showed up right at 8 o'clock. Bingo bongo, done, safe. Good guys. I appreciate them helping out a hobby machinist like myself. That's their card. And the checkbook. But here we go. The Nardini is in place like it should have been almost a year ago, or more than a year ago. Got some surface rust to deal with here from sitting in the garage for 13 months, but actually it's better than I thought it was, and a lot of this existed before. You know, I got it on some handles and stuff, but I can fix that easy enough. So, there we go. It actually doesn't look too damaged at all from the fall. This rear door here is bent to shit. That's fine, and the e-stop is demolished. And this, the e-stop here, the main power switch, it's not an e-stop. Main power switch may be toasted, but you know what? I can fix that easy. That's easy. I have no idea what is in here. It's like sand or something, or bacon bits. Something's in there. Maybe it's rust. I don't know where it came from though. But anyway, we're moved in. I gotta pick up the all the parquet tiles that are everywhere and get moving on it. But this is great. Big relief that it's in here. It was put in here safely, that it's not sitting in the garage anymore. It's good. It feels real good. So we got continuing on our mission to put 10 pounds of crap in this 5-pound space, 5-pound bag, and we're getting there. We got the mill in, the lathe in, we got a horizontal bandsaw, this nice Rockwell drill press that I've never really shown before, I don't think, and that isn't functioning right now, but it should be easy enough of a fix. Just hasn't been on the priority list. What is that? Oh yeah, rotary phase converter. That's been sitting here ready to go. And up on the wall you see a lot of breaker panels. That's because we're putting in a new service, putting in a dedicated 3-phase panel board for the rotary phase converter, those kind of things. So that was all projects that are in progress, sort of in the background here of life. So moving on. So there we go. Thank you to Nick and his brother Hollis over there at Brodmerkle. I probably just messed your name up, sorry. Brodmerkle Machinery Moving. Thanks for helping out a little guy, and we'll see you soon.